There is this circular area at my house. I thought a statue would fit this area perfectly. But my wife said no.
I want to first introduce this very cool product called InvisQi. This is a very capable wireless charging device. The maximum charging distance for InvisQi is 30 mm, which is slightly less than 1¼ inch. I installed my InvisQi wireless charger underneath my Quartz top. Now this is 30 mm thick material and it still works flawlessly. The InvisQi also included a testing board which helps you to locate where is the best charging spot for your device. The device itself looks really nice, and as you can see, it's about 4 3/4 inches wide and about ½ inch thick. And also in the package, InvisQi included this round sticker you can place on your tabletop. Now I have to say, having wireless chargings around the house really make things convenient. So if you're interested in checking out InvisQi, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Now personally, I am really happy and impressed with this product. I think you'll like it too. Now let's continue our build.
Here I am making a huge sheet of paper so that I can create a template of the shape in this area. This will help me cut the bottom piece of the cabinet. Here is a piece of leftover walnut plywood. I am leaving out 3/4 inch of space because the doors are not flush with the walls. Here I just clamped a piece of straight edge. This is to help me create the toe kick area. Because the area is round, I needed to trim off the edges for the two side pieces a little. As you can see, this is very dusty, so be sure to wear a respirator when doing something like this. Now I'm just applying natural wood stain I bought from Home Depot. I needed to make sure the cabinet is strong enough to hold the weight of quartz top. So I'm using 3/4 inch plywood and making cuts so that I can do an outward curve bending. Here I am making a notch to fit in the door handle. The two pieces of wood on each side limits my movement, which gives me the perfect width I need. I also needed to create a notch at the back of the door. Notice I had a clamp on my router table, which prevents my makeshift fence from moving. Again, I applied natural wood stain. And 2 layers of polyurethane on the doors. For the quartz top, I hired a local company. They did an excellent job.